How to download your songs from Mureka AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can download your songs from Mureka AI. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. So let's jump right in. First step. Open up your web browser and search for Mureka AI. Head over to its website. You can directly go to mureka.ai as well. Then log in into your account. So here you can enter out a lyrics, you can enter out a style. So let's just create a song and then tap on create to create a song. So after you've created a song, you can then start with the downloading. So after the song has been created, look for the download button. After you find the download button, tap on it. So here you can see it does require you the pro features to be able to download the songs. So tap on download MP3 if you want it in that version and just get the plan. After you get that plan, you can then be able to download it even in MP4. You can download the video, instruments and stems, and everything else as well. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.